What's going on, guys? My name's Crypto Dojo, and today we're going to talk about the blockchain. What is the blockchain? Now, there's going to be a lot of technical videos you can find on YouTube, but this is going to be a super basic, complete beginner explanation of what the blockchain is. So, a lot of people are talking about the blockchain, they're talking about Bitcoin, they're talking about decentralized, they're talking about Ethereum, all these different terms. So in the crypto world, the cryptocurrency world, you've got all your different cryptocurrencies. You've got Bitcoin, you've got Ethereum, you have IOTA, you've got Litecoin. The list goes on and on. So the technology behind this is called blockchain. So what is the blockchain? The blockchain is based on mathematics and hashing algorithms. So what does that mean? So first and foremost, how does the financial system work right now? So let's say you go to a store and you buy a loaf of bread. You go to the store and you swipe your bank credit card. Sorry, this drawing is horrible, but just pretend that this is your credit card. You swipe your credit card. The store is going to have some sort of payment processor, and this then says, hey, bank, which is a centralized institution, it's going to say, hey, bank, does John have $2.49 to buy this loaf of bread? And the bank's going to say, yes, he does, and it's going to approve the transaction, and the bank then sends that money to the store. So this is a centralized system. This is how money works currently in the United States and around the world. So what the blockchain allows is it allows you to completely get rid of the centralized system or the bank. So how does it do that? It does it through the blockchain technology. So I'm going to try to draw a chain. Don't make fun of my drawing, but let's just pretend that this is a chain, hence the blockchain. Just to give you an idea of how this works currently, let's say I want to send 1 Bitcoin to my friend. John wants to send a Bitcoin to his friend Ron. First, you need to verify that John has a Bitcoin. So that's done through previous blockchain transactions. So let's say John received 10 Bitcoin a couple weeks ago from his other friends. This was hashed and put onto the blockchain saying that John has 10 Bitcoin. So the blockchain needs to verify that he has the 10 Bitcoin, which he does, but he wants to send 1 to Ron. So using these mathematical algorithms on the blockchain, John's going to send his Bitcoin to Ron. So now the blockchain's going to say John has 9 Bitcoin because he sent 1 of these Bitcoin to Ron. So now Ron has 1 Bitcoin in his Bitcoin wallet. That's hashed and put onto the blockchain. And this was done using cryptography in the blockchain. So we did this without having a centralized bank. So the entire idea is that this transaction can't be undone, but cryptographically it's bound to the chain and you can't undo it. You can see from the beginning of time all these transactions that happened with, for instance, Bitcoin. This history is public. It's something that you can see. Another way to describe it, a lot of people talk about a peer-to-peer network. So it's decentralized. There's no centralized intermediary, but everyone that's on it can see. And this is how this verification works. In the case of Bitcoin, this happens through a process called mining. Now, we're not going to get into mining on this video. I just wanted to go over kind of the basic idea of how blockchain works and why blockchain is so cool. So a lot of people in the financial world, they might argue against this. Look, we need the bank, but it's all in the technology of the blockchain. So this is actually, I think, the way we transact worldwide. So hopefully that gives you a better idea of what blockchain is and how it works. Now, thanks for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next video.